What are you doing?
Trying to wash it.
Wash it? Okay. Do you know how? No, that's too hot. Yeah, put it here, right in the middle. This is to wash. You need the cloth. Wow. There you go. Is it still dirty? Wow. You're so helpful. That was clean, but doesn't matter. There was only a few things in there. Whoop! Watch out. I have to put this in hot water, because this is chocolate. Yesterday, before going to bed, Mommy made some Cadbury Easter eggs.
I eat one at a time.
Yeah, after lunch. Bravo, Lou, you're doing a great job.
Are you going to do Winnie?
I'm trying to get his tractor out of the ice. He's breaking ice. We're just trying to get rid of this. Put it on the asphalt so it melts faster. That's what they do. Look at that. No ice. Right in front. No ice. No snow. And it gives us a little exercise and some little time outside because it's so beautiful today, huh? It's beautiful weather. Whoa! Whoa! Watch your feet, love. You're so tall. You grew up. You're growing. Throw it far. Not on your toes. Wow. Be careful, love. You're a hard worker. Whoa, that's a good idea. It's okay, you have pants. But your gloves, yeah. That's okay. This is the one you did? Did you do both? Oh no, Mommy took the wig off. No! Oh no, things are falling. Oh no, they're falling apart. She's falling apart. Oh no! They're cool, love. I like them.
Did you want to make one of a tiny?
Oh yeah, Mommy gonna make a tiny one.
You have to do this and do this.
I have to put a nose? Okay.
And put the...
So Mommy's making it, but you're choosing what I'm putting on it? Is that what's happening?
Yes. And put the lunette.
Okay. You're so cute! Look at you with the lunette. They're glasses.
These are smaller.
Yeah, they're small glasses.
For these guys.
Okay. Wow, look at you, Mr. Potato. Can you see now with your glasses?
Can you do this with the ears, with the nose, pretty pied, but there's no more pieds.
Feet?
There's no more feet. But I'm sorry, Mommy.
No, there's a cat. There's a cat thing there.
A hat.
A cat. Cat tail. Right there. And this is a dog tail. See? So Mommy can put dog tail. You're so cute. Aw, you're so cute. I love you. Do you want to have hummus and crackers? Mwah.
No, I want to do decoration. Wanna?
Mommy fell.
Do you want to? Oh, I love this.
Monsieur Patat. We can have hummus and crackers here while we make the Monsieur Patat. It's not a pillow to sleep in the plane. It's a fortune cookie like Nanny and Mimi got when we were eating Chinese food in Florida. So 1, 2, 3. We had to find 6 flags. 10 flags. Oh, you found the cookie! Good! Look how cute these are. Look how cute! And let's just put one on the wall. Look at that. Yesterday we put one on the wall. Look at that beautiful baby. You're so beautiful. This is after the nap because
no,
it's...
not after a nap. On pink.
You want to do it now? Mm-hmm. Okay. And Sunset, as usual, is going crazy with his boxes. That's his chilling place. That's where I put his boxes to. I think that's a new box. Oh no, the new box is beside it. He loves ripping those boxes apart. Like, that's his thing. Like, look at that one right there. And look at that one right there. He loves it. You don't have to buy expensive toys for a bird. You just need to give him boxes. Boy, you're so funny. You're so funny, boy. No, but we can put that, we can hang it somewhere. We're gonna keep it because we're gonna hang it. Mommy was thinking of making an Easter tree. You know? Oh. Like Christmas tree, but we're gonna make an Easter tree. How would that? Was that?
Okay, we're making Easter tree.
Okay, but we're gonna have to go to the dollar store when we get a car, when Mommy has her car back, and we can get some things to hang on the tree. That would be cool, huh? So he said, "Where's yours?" Oh yeah, water.
For this, and then for something it will change.
Okay. We'll start painting. He said, "Where's yours, Mommy?" And I said, "I didn't get one for me." And he says, "Well, then we can share the paintbrush, right?" We have other paintbrushes. It's just that Mommy wants you to do it by yourself because that's...
Can I go get another paintbrush for you, Mommy?
Well, Mommy wants you to do it by yourself because I want that to be yours. I want it to be all you. We can buy another one we could do together if you want.
That one's yours. I just made it for you.
Okay, you made it for me?
And then I'm gonna wait. And then you're gonna bring one for me. And then you're gonna. I'm gonna make one for Daddy.
Okay, I knew you were gonna say that.
I'm gonna make one for Laurie too.
Okay, well we can get another one, and you can paint it for Daddy and Laurie. Okay? I'm having this funniest conversation with you.
Caddy has a girlfriend, and his belly when he was a baby.
No, Jinx and Hex were sisters. Yeah, like at Granddaddy's house, there was cats. There was one
teeny little cat drinking milk.
Yeah, there was one mummy and a lot of babies. They were all brothers and sisters.
And
you don't have a brother and sister because you're alone. You're the only child. Do you want a brother or sister?
A girlfriend.
You want a girlfriend?
I mean a boyfriend.
You want a boyfriend? You mean you want a friend?
Boyfriend.
A brother or sister?
Boy brother.
A boy brother? Fart! 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 Montana, Montana!
Pet!
Fart!
Look, Mommy! A turbo truck!
Whoa! Mommy. Did we have a good hiding spot, Sunset? Yeah? We did? You couldn't find us, huh? Huh, Sunset? Did we have a good hiding spot? Yeah? You couldn't find us, huh? I know. You want to play again? Yeah? Okay. Oh, Mommy fell. He's gonna look for us.
Quick!
He found us! Okay, go to your room. Go to your room. Hurry up.
That's it, banging this.
Shh. Quick, quick! Quick, quick!
Can we close the door?
No, because he can't find us if we close the door.
But we have to secure a great hiding spot.
Yes, but some...
I have to close
Oh, he went in the room.